there had been time when you were an individual contributor, when you started in the industry,
Yeah.
and now you are at a senior, very, very senior leadership position. What actually changed? What is the role differences? What are the pivotal change happening in terms of your responsibilities of the role, and how do you help others to also achieve it?
So what happens is when you become a leader, right? So everywhere, it is not just in data science. It's about taking the people along with you to move towards the collective vision that you and your team and also the external and internal stakeholders have dreamt. Okay, so how we can convert that dream to a reality, that is something that a leader has to do. Of course, your data science knowledge and skills are very, very important. But what I understand as a leader, it's very important to bring your team and take your team along with you. Okay, so that they basically understand the directions that you are giving, and also you should allow them, empower them to come up with their own ideas and all get stitched together in one solution. You create an environment that they feel that they are also the owner of this solution. Okay, and the moment it happens, the collaboration takes a new height, and everybody feels that they are owner, not only you but your team, the client, the external client, the internal stakeholders, everybody. And that way, I would say the solution becomes successful. So initially, when you start with an engagement, it would be very, very difficult. And with data science, it is even more difficult. If you are in a domain where nobody has used data science ever, okay, so then it will be a question of how to change the mindset. So inherently, people are having a rule-based mindset. Okay, so they always understand things just through rule. It's more deterministic. How to make them change from deterministic to probabilistic mindset? Okay, so that they can embrace the AI, the data science, understanding of the power of AI, the power of machine learning, the power of data of MNs, and then bring in also, before starting any data science models, even introducing that, uh, give them the opportunity to understand their own data and relate it to their understanding about their organization. So these are things that we need to do day in and day out, so that everybody is on the same page and set their expectation as well, in terms of what they are getting out of this. Okay, so when I was an individual contributor, I would do the same thing, but it would be more of a, within the team I will be as acting like somebody who is contributing, but who is not that of much of an influential. But as I grew as a leader, I started influencing things, and I also started as not only understanding their business, also giving them back in terms of what data science is all about, and they also learned a lot along with that. So it's like moving from uh, individual contributor to influencer to um, becoming a holistic leader in that way. Okay, so it's not just, and what I have talked about is not just about a data science leader. This is something that every leader has to possess, right?